In this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon Global Selling account, step by step, in a simple and practical way so you can start selling internationally without confusion. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, you need to open the official Amazon Global Selling page. Make sure you're on the correct Amazon Seller sign-up page, and once it opens, you'll see the option to sign up or start selling. Click on that and then click on Get Started. Now Amazon will ask for your email address. Enter your email, and you'll receive a one-time password on that email. Enter the OTP, verify it, and move forward. After verification, Amazon will show you a page explaining what documents and information you'll need. Carefully read it so you're prepared. Typically, you'll need a valid government-issued ID like a passport, a recent bank account statement, a chargeable credit or debit card, a working mobile number, and if you're registering as a business, your business documents as well. Next, Amazon will ask for your business location. Here, you must select the country where you want to sell and where you are legally eligible to operate. For example, if you're selling in the US, select United States. If it's the UK, select United Kingdom. Make sure you choose carefully because you should either be a resident there or have a registered business in that country. After that, you'll be asked for business information. Select your business type, like privately owned business, and then enter your official business name exactly as it appears on your registration documents. Confirm that your business location and type are correct, agree to the terms, and continue. Now Amazon will ask for your company registration number. This is usually found on your formation certificate or articles of organization. If you're not sure, you can check with your accountant or registration service. Then you'll need to enter your registered business address. Try to use a proper, unique address that matches your official records to avoid verification issues later. Next comes mobile number verification. Enter your phone number, choose your country code, complete the CAPTCHA, and receive the PIN via SMS or call. Enter the PIN to verify your number. After this, you'll provide personal details like your country of birth, date of birth, and residential address. Your residential address can be from any country where you currently live, but you should have address proof for it. Many sellers use the address mentioned on their passport for smooth verification. Then Amazon will ask if you are the beneficial owner and legal representative of the business. If you are the sole owner, select Yes. If you have partners, select No and provide their details. Review everything and move to the next step. Now you'll add your bank account. Choose whether the account is a business or individual account, select the country, enter your bank name, routing number, and account number. After that, add a credit or debit card for the monthly subscription fee. This card must be chargeable. Next is store and product information. Enter your store name, which can be different from your company name. Answer questions about product codes, brand ownership, and whether you hold any trademarks. Fill these honestly and continue. Now upload your identity document, usually your passport. After that comes identity verification. You can either verify instantly by taking a photo of your face and ID, or you can schedule a video call with an Amazon associate. During the video call, you'll show your ID on camera and confirm your details. Once this step is completed, Amazon will review your information, and your seller account will move toward approval. Before I wrap up, one important tip: when managing your Amazon seller account, you're often handling sensitive documents, banking details, and logins. To keep everything secure, especially if you work on public or shared networks, using a trusted VPN like NordVPN can add an extra layer of protection while you manage your online business. There's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.